Hey folks, how's it going? This is Jeff Koga with Short Sale Buyers, and you're probably wondering what the heck am I doing behind this whiteboard. This trusty whiteboard right here is what I call my mind map, I guess. Some people use the actual computer program, the MindJet, but I have that myself, but I actually like to draw it down. Draw it on the whiteboard sometimes. So today is day 5 of our 180-day short sale challenge, and I wanted to give you kind of an update on what we've been doing because I've been missing in action for the last 2 days over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. But good thing is, over the weekend, I got a call from Roberto saying that, hey, you know what, we have possibly candidates for 4 other new short sale files, so that's awesome. The only thing is we piqued their interest and they're really interested in moving forward with us, but they don't have all the paperwork together yet, but at least we know for a fact that these deals are coming, and these deals are actually coming from other wholesalers within the Los Angeles County and the Orange County area. So they're going to give us the leads because they know for a fact that we can get them closed, and not just to get them closed, but get them closed properly. So that's awesome. So we're right on track there. But what I wanted to show you guys is our business model and how we're going to reach 180 homeowners within 180 days. Okay, so I only have about less than 10 minutes, so I have to make this quickly as possible. And plus, on top of that, I don't want you guys to know all of our secrets. So, so here we go. This is kind of a quick drawing that I have made in our business model here. If you can take a look here, SSB is for short sale buyers, and with this we have basically 4 pillars within our business. One of our key business models that we've been focusing on before this even competition, sorry, not competition, but this challenge started, is we've been working with a lot of local investors, especially wholesalers, who are getting these short sale leads, but they don't know how to do these because they don't have a team in place or a system in place to handle this short sales, because short sales obviously take time and you need to have a system in place and know and work with people who knows how to close them. So those are the people that are giving us the leads. Also, another part is other short sale investors. There's so many people that want to get in the short sale business and bought some course, you know, from a guy in different state. You know, it can be Nevada, it can be in Georgia, Texas, Ohio, it can be in Florida, somewhere, right? But they don't know the details of what to do exactly in California. So we're partnering up with those folks, and also we are going to be starting our own program called our Apprenticeship and our Property Scout program. And what this means is other investors or people who want to get into the real estate business, but they don't have enough money to go ahead and buy some courses, buy coaching. In our case, I think this year alone we've spent probably over $20,000 in coaching, and not just coaching in the fact of just the real estate business, but coaching as in from business development. We've done coaching from life coaches, we've done coaches for, and also coaches for internet marketing. So we know for a fact, information isn't free. But what we're doing is, because we need to hit our 180 homeowners to save, we're going to go ahead and open up the doors for our apprentice program, where essentially it's going to be a free training from short sale buyers and a couple of other key strategic partners that we have that is going to go ahead and train you guys on exactly how to do these short sales and close them out correctly. And obviously we're going to have some training, and we're going to have webinars for that also. And the other side of our bubble is realtors. We want to make sure that the realtors that we're working with understands, why working with us compared to other investors is completely different. Because other investors, 9 out of 10 times, they haven't even closed a single deal yet, and all they're doing is regurgitating information that they picked up from a course, and they're just spitting out information. When in reality, they don't know what to do if it comes, because they're not in the trenches like us each and every single day. So these realtors, okay, are going to be the ones that we're going to be sending out mailers to. We're going to be talking to them in person. We're going to be doing webinars for also, and explaining the big important part, which is the Civil Code 2965 and Civil Code 1695, okay? 2945 and 1695. Man, I got my day numbers all jacked up in my head. It's a Monday, so you got to forgive me, okay? And anyways, the last bubble is the organic leads that we're going to be doing. We're going to be sending out our own mailers to our zip codes that we have focused on. We have just our we have just scrubbed the list today on the zip code that we want to focus on, and we're going to be sending out to our trusty mailer guy who's going to be actually hand writing these mailers and sending them out in these wonderful yellow notebook like these, and they're going to go ahead and hand write the envelope itself, and they're going to send them out, okay? And the cost for us is less than $1 actually for all of that, with stamp included. I think it was like 90 cents or something like that. So we're going to be sending out about 250 of those this week, and that will go and light up our phone calls. So with those 4 marketing plans in place, we believe strongly that, hey, we're right on track because we got those 4 deals, and that's going to go ahead and put us over the top. And I just want to make sure that you guys are aware we have picked the date on when we're going to run our first webinar. It's going to be October 21st, which is a Wednesday. The time is set, but you'll have to actually opt into our mailing list to go ahead and get the exact time, because it is going to be only for a select few people. I think we're only going to have seats for like 100 people because we don't want to have like 200, 300, or 400 people, okay? And we only want people from Southern California majority of the time. So you got to opt in first and opt in early. So if you're not on our mailing list, make sure you go to shortsellbuyers.com and opt into our 7-day free mini course, and you'll be definitely getting our information prior to October 21st, where we're going to go ahead and explain to the details and how to actually properly navigate through the short sell jungle of California, because so many things are going on, and if you're not in the trenches, if you're not doing deals, and if you're not following along on certain legislation, then you're going to be left behind. And some of the things that we are going to talk about is legislation that are in the pipelines right now, legislation other investors aren't even talking about, which is SB 94, AB 64, AB 306. And if you haven't even heard of this, then you definitely need to get on the call. And if you as a realtor have short sell listings and other investors has approached you and doing these types of, what we call short sell flips, and they haven't even explained to you any of this type of legislation that's in the books right now, or those civil codes that I just mentioned, then yeah, they don't know what the heck that they're talking about. So you need to make sure you're on that call. So opt in at shortsellbuyers.com. Other than that, I will see you in the next day or so, and I'll give you an update on what's been going on. Thanks for following.